Hello, I'm Viva. Today you'll learn the months of the year. Here we go. Say it with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, it's August. It's September. It's October. It's November. It's December. Now, look at the number on the screen. What month is it? Say it out loud. It's January. It's February. It's March. It's April. It's May. It's June. It's July. It's August. It's September. It's October. It's November. It's December. You did it! Good job! That's it for today. See you next time. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.